Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dream Speak English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jack. Today, we're going to talk about a very exciting topic, how to talk about the future in English. Whether you want to share your plans, dreams, or predictions, knowing how to use the future tense correctly will help you speak clearly and confidently.
Talking about the future is something we do every day. We make plans for the weekend, talk about our goals, or guess what might happen tomorrow. But English has different ways to talk about the future, and it can be confusing. Don't worry. Today, we'll learn the most important future tenses and how to use them in real conversations.
Let's start with the most common future tense, will. We use will to talk about decisions we make at the moment of speaking, promises, offers, and predictions.
Here's a simple example.
Sarah, I'm thirsty.
I will get you a glass of water.
In this conversation, Jack says he's thirsty, and Sarah decides right now to get water. That's why she uses will.
Now, let's practice a short conversation using will.
I think it will rain tomorrow.
Really? I hope it won't rain. I want to go to the park.
Notice how Jack uses won't, the short form of will not, to make a negative sentence.
Will is very easy because it doesn't change with the subject. We say, I will, you will, he will, she will, it will, we will, they will.
Simple and clear.
Next, let's talk about going to. We use going to when we have already decided to do something, or when we see signs that something will happen.
For example, look at those dark clouds.
It's going to rain soon.
Here, Jack sees the dark clouds, a sign, so he uses going to predict rain.
Or,
I'm going to visit my parents next weekend.
that sounds nice.
Jack already planned to visit his parents, so he uses going to.
Remember, with going to, we use the verb to be, am, is, are, plus going to, plus base verb. I am going to, you are going to, he is going to, she is going to, it is going to, we are going to, they are going to.
Let's practice a short conversation.
What are you going to do after class?
I'm going to study for my exam.
Good luck.
Now, let's compare will and going to.
Will is for decisions made at the moment or promises.
Going to is for plans made before or predictions based on evidence.
For example,
I'm hungry. I think I will order a pizza. Decision now.
I'm going to visit my friend tomorrow. Plan made before.
Or, I think the team will win the game. Prediction.
Look at the score. They are going to win. Prediction based on evidence.
Let's learn about present continuous tense for future plans. We use the present continuous, am, is, are, plus verb plus ing, to talk about fixed arrangements or plans with other people.
For example, I'm meeting my friend at 6 p.m. tonight.
That's great. Where are you going?
We're going to the new restaurant downtown. This shows a plan that is already arranged.
Now, let's practice a longer conversation using all these future forms.
What will you do this weekend?
I'm going to visit my parents on Saturday.
That sounds nice. I think I will stay home and relax.
Are you doing anything special on Sunday?
Yes, I'm meeting some friends for lunch.
Great. I'm going to clean my apartment on Sunday.
Sounds like a busy weekend.
Here are some useful time expressions to talk about the future. Tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, in 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 months, soon, later today, this evening, tonight.
Example, I'm going to start a new job next month.
Congratulations, that's exciting.
Thank you. I hope it will be a great experience.
Now, some tips to help you practice talking about the future.
Practice speaking out loud every day. Use will, going to, and present continuous in your sentences.
Listen to English podcasts or videos about future plans and repeat the sentences.
Write down your own plans and dreams using these future forms.
Try role-playing conversations with a friend or language partner.
Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on communicating your ideas clearly.
Now that we've covered the basics of talking about the future, let's explore some more advanced ways to express your plans, predictions, and intentions.
That's right, Jack. English has many ways to talk about the future, and using them correctly will make your speech sound more natural and fluent.
Let's start with the future continuous tense. We use this tense to talk about actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future.
For example, if someone asks, "What will you be doing at 8 p.m. tonight?" you can say, "I will be watching a movie."
Exactly. It's like painting a picture of the future, showing that an action will be in progress at a certain time.
Here's a conversation using future continuous.
What will you be doing tomorrow afternoon?
I will be studying for my exam.
Sounds serious. I will be relaxing at home. Notice how both speakers describe what they will be doing at a specific future time.
Another important future tense is the future perfect. We use it to talk about actions that will be completed before a certain time in the future.
For example, by next year, I will have finished my course.
Let's practice.
Will you have finished your project by Friday?
Yes, I will have completed it by then.
This tense is great for showing deadlines or goals.
Now let's talk about modal verbs for the future. Words like might, may, and could. These express possibility or uncertainty.
For example, I might go to the party tonight means you're not sure yet.
Or it may rain tomorrow shows a possibility based on weather forecasts.
Here's a conversation.
Do you think it will snow this winter?
It might snow, but I'm not sure.
I hope it doesn't. Using modal verbs makes your speech more flexible and realistic.
Let's also look at shall, a formal way to make offers or suggestions mostly used with I and we.
For example, shall we go for a walk? Or shall I help you with that?
It's polite and common in British English.
Now let's practice a conversation with shall.
It's a nice day. Shall we have lunch outside?
Yes, that sounds lovely.
Before we finish, here are some practice tips to help you master future tenses.
1. Listen to native speakers and notice how they use different future forms.
2. Practice speaking about your own plans, predictions, and dreams every day.
3. Write short paragraphs or diary entries using future tenses.
4. Use flashcards or apps to memorize common phrases.
5. Record yourself speaking and listen to improve your fluency.
Let's do a quick quiz. Fill in the blanks with will, going to, or present continuous.
1. I meet my friend at 5 p.m. tomorrow.
2. Look at those clouds. It rain soon.
3. She start a new course next week.
4. We have dinner with family tonight.
5. I think I buy a new phone next year.
How'd you do? Write your answers in the comments.
Thank you for watching this lesson on talking about the future in English. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to Dream Speak English and like this video.
Share it with your friends who want to improve their English speaking skills.
Leave a comment telling us your plans or dreams using will, going to, or present continuous. We love reading your stories.
Leave a comment telling us your plans or dreams using will, going to, or present continuous. We love reading your stories.
Keep practicing, stay motivated, and see you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.
Bye!